Hello everyone. Let's talk about today about preferred stock and common stock. Before going to our math, let's have some intuition behind these two concepts. When you compare preferred stock and common stock, there is an order of claims on earnings. As we know, the preferred stockholders have a senior claim on the earnings of the corporation compared to the common stockholder. Any earnings must first be used to satisfy the preferred dividends before considering the residual earnings for common stockholder. And there is also a tax impact on that. The corporate tax impacts the amount of income available after taxes, and also it reduces the gross profit to net income, and thus it reduces the effective earnings for the stockholders. And for the distribution of net income, after satisfying the tax liabilities, net income is first allocated to preferred shareholder because they have the higher senior claim in the order, and then the remaining income residual earnings are distributed to common shareholders. Let's look at an example. In your book, there is a problem. There it says to calculate profit available for common stockholders. So we know, like, to payment to for the payment of common stockholder, first we have to pay the preferred dividend to the preferred stockholder, and then the residual claim we can pay to the common stockholder. So what's the problem here? You can see here, I can increase the question. Okay, so in 2018, Beta Corporation earned gross profit of 760,000. Suppose that Beta was financed by a combination of a common stock and 1 million of preferred stock. So we have two kind of stock here. The dividend yield on the preferred was 8%. So we have the percentage to calculate preferred dividend, and the corporate tax rate is 21%. So now we have to calculate the profit available for common stockholder after adjustment with the preferred dividend. So we can solve it step by step. First, let's calculate corporate tax. So for corporate tax, we can just multiply the tax rate with our gross profit. Here we have our gross profit, and we just adjust the tax rate, and now we have tax amount 159,600. So we know, like, for the net income, we have to deduct this tax income. So for our gross profit, and then we deduct the tax value, now we have the available net income 600,400. So now we have to pay this net income first to the preferred stockholder, right? So for the preferred dividend, we have to pay 8% of dividend. So our preferred stock is like for 1 million, so the dividend should be 1 million multiplied by 8%, that is $80,000. So from our total net income, we have to pay this $80,000 to the preferred stockholder, and then the remaining amount is available for the our common stockholder, like 520,400. So the common intuition for this kind of concept, you can just step by step follow this formula. Like, first find out the tax amount, then find out what is the dividend amount, and then first pay to the preferred stockholder their due dividend, and then rest of the income from the net income you will that will be available for the common stockholder. So if you follow this step by step rules, it would be easier for you to calculate the available net income for both common stockholder and as well as the preferred stockholder. I hope it helps. Thank you all.